Hey, this is Len David Hart, and what I have here, this is the 1-inch sill expander I was talking about, and this is my opening. What I did is I held this window even with the back of this channel, or this, I'm calling this a J channel. It's a galvanized J channel, or it's a ground for this stucco work on the outside of the house. My intention was to put this thing, this sill expander, and the reason I did this because I didn't want to cut. I didn't want to have to cut into these. I think I can get this in here. I have to trim it a little bit. I think that's going to look beautiful. It's going to look perfect. It'll be done nice. So what I need was, I'm going to measure these strips up. I think the 1-inch strips are going to work fine. Here's the other one. There's Simonton window. Good windows. 50/50s. They work very nicely. I was going to do something like this with a piece of aluminum trim, but I thought, why should I monkey with this when I can get this sill expander that would fit? And now on the bottom, I've got, let's go take a walk over to the bottom real quick. I'll show you what I'm doing there. We'll walk over to this bottom. I got a triple over here we put in. This is the triple. This is a piece of 1/2-inch plywood that I got it to sit at a little bit of an angle. It's on a little wedge in the back to make it sit on an angle. And then my side pieces will just terminate into it. And then the sill expander that comes with the window, I'll rip to cut into that fit. And of course, I got to make some middle casings here, some, I guess, mullion type of casings for the middles. But that's how I did that. That sill's continuous. And then here's what I have again. I got this little gap. I actually measured these windows to fit in the sheetrock opening because I didn't want to make them wider and have to cut into this. Here's the shutter, and this is the ground, or the galvanized J channel that the stucco work goes into. All right, so I appreciate you guys trying to get me that sill expander. See, I think 1-inch will work here. Now on top of these, I have a drip cap installed, so I'm not even worried about the top of these guys. I just need sides. So that's just a little video on what's going on here. This one I can use the 1-inch. That's 1-inch there. So we're doing good. So I appreciate you accommodating me, and this is Len Hart. Thanks for your time, and thanks for taking care of that for me.